Filing your extension and being late, this procrastination costs you. Let me tell you, did you guys know that if a business owner files their tax return late, the corporate return, it costs $195 per shareholder per month, up to 24 months. That is the IRS rule. That is not Spiceda's rule. Even though your pass-through business pays zero income taxes, if you do not get those taxes in by March 15th, you will be costing your business money that your business needs to grow, money that you need for that VA, money that you need for that advertising, money that you need to find the perfect customer and client for your business. Stop the procrastination. It's costing you $195 per owner per month, up to 24 months. So let's say that's about $2,400 if you're the only owner in your LLC part, in your S Corp or C Corp. It is me, Spiceda. Good morning. I hope you grabbed your coffee. I actually left my coffee back in the back on my desk. And this morning, we're going to be talking about procrastination that costs. And, you know, I'm not the one to talk, and I'm not talking about anybody, because I am a pro at procrastination. Almost every morning I rush my kids. I'm like, come on, we gotta go. Because I procrastinated in actually getting them dressed for school. Well, we can procrastinate in our business, and it can cost us too. So let's see who's gonna join us live. If you're joining live, make sure that you let me know and say hello while you're here live. If you're watching on replay and your team replay, put replay in the hashtag. Today, guys, we're going to have some fun and we're going to dive into this. So we're going live here. I'm on Facebook. I'm in my private Facebook group, which is Business Combos and Coffee. And if you're watching me live on Instagram, you can join the conversation live every Friday around 9:15, where I talk business, combos, and coffee. And who am I? I'm Spiceda Jackson, the accountant that you love to work with. I am CEO and founder of eXFinancial Inc. We are best known in the marketplace as TaxPlus365, and we help small business owners avoid financial trouble so you can pocket more profit, reinvest that profit back in your business so you can grow without limits. Okay, so if you want to experience unlimited success, come and work with us. All right, it's tax season, y'all. And it officially has started this week. And that means that the procrastination has officially started this week. I've been up I got my notebook here. I got some quick signs that you are procrastinating. Y'all are procrastinating in your business, but you actually are. And that same procrastination has cost you or will cost you. All right. The first one I talk about is waiting and being late and filing your taxes. You cannot wait to the last minute to file your taxes and expect to have the best outcome. So if you know that you're not going to make this March 15th deadline, which is the deadline for S corporations and C corporations and LLC partnerships, those are business owners that file 2 tax returns. Your tax return is due on March 15th. Now, if you know that you're not ready, you're not going to be ready, let's get this thing done. Let's go ahead and file an extension. Do not be rushing in at the last minute expecting your accountant to perform a miracle. If you think you're going to owe, let's talk about that thing right now. All right? Just come on this way so we can help you. All right? Secondly, if you know you're going to miss the April 15th deadline, file an extension. But let me say this. Filing your extension and being late, this procrastination costs you. Let me tell you, did you guys know that if a business owner files their tax return late, the corporate return, it costs $195 per shareholder per month, up to 24 months. That is the IRS rule. That is not Spiceda's rule. Even though your pass-through business pays 0 income taxes, if you do not get those taxes in by March 15th, you will be costing your business money that your business needs to grow, money that you need for that VA, money that you need for that advertising, money that you need to find the perfect customer and client for your business. Stop the procrastination. It's costing you $195 per owner per month up to 24 months. So let's say that's about $2,400 if you're the only owner in your LLC part, in your S Corp or C Corp. For partnerships, a partnership simply means that there's 2 partners. So if you file that late, it costs you $400 if you have 2 partners. You take that $400 times 24 months, that's going to cost you almost $5,000, $5 to $10,000. Actually, it actually costs you $10,000 because it's 2 shareholders. 400 times 12 is 4,800. 4,800 times 2 years, which is 24 months. That's almost $10,000. You guys. Procrastination can cost you up to $10,000 in your business, especially for S Corps and C corporations. Now, a lot of y'all, and I'm not going to go on my soapbox today, but a lot of y'all be jumping into S Corps and are in S corporations when you should not be. And that's costing you too. And the fact that you won't change it, and your taxes are hurting you, is costing you. Some of you are LLCs and should be S Corps. Some of you are S Corps and should be C Corps. Some of you are C Corps and you good and well should be an LLC and filing a Schedule C. Your delay and procrastination in changing and getting into the right entity is costing you. The fact that you follow bad advice, which is not what this is about. Today is about procrastination. Is costing you. All right. So here are some of the tips that I have for y'all. Right. Holding on, some of the signs in your business that you're hurting yourself with your procrastination. So here are some signs of procrastination here. Right. Holding on to slow inventory too long. Now, this is not just about filing your taxes and filing your taxes late, right? It costs you in your business when you procrastinate in putting out that promotion that you were supposed to do. Having that inventory in your business when you know you need to move it. Inventory is cash. Cash is king. Move that inventory. Even if you have to do a promotion, even if you have to do a special offer, the key here is stop procrastinating. Run the Facebook ad, and it doesn't even really have to cost you. You could do something as simple as go live on Facebook, do an Instagram reel, and let people know what you're doing. Move that inventory. All right? Holding on to slow inventory too long, procrastinating to sell it, procrastinating to promote it is costing you. All right? So this is what I tell you to do to turn that around. I already said, this is what I wrote down. I got notes for y'all because I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning. I love small business owners, okay? And I can't help but think about things that I could come up with to help y'all real quick in this Combos and Coffee every morning, all right? I know I talk too much, but at least I'm talking about business and moving your business up. All right, these are some of the things you can do to combat holding slow inventory procrastination, all right? Promote to get your products in front of your customer, all right? Use it for lead generation. Use that extra inventory for lead generation. You may want to pair the slow moving inventory with something that, will move fast. Maybe you can get the average order value up. Sell it in bundles, like I'm saying. Create returning clients by giving away some free stuff. Encourage higher spend and increase your order value and increase your revenue per customer. That is the benefit of releasing and stopping the procrastination on holding inventory. All right. Delaying your financial reporting is costing you in business. Procrastinating, getting your numbers together in January for 2021, that cost you. I did, like last quarter 4, I did a whole series on helping you find deductions, because after December 31st, it is too late to spend in your business. Now, if you're one of those people that you know that you need a new car in your business, you know your business needs a new truck, you know your business needs a new piece of equipment, but you procrastinating and waiting to do it in January, February, March next year, right? That actually cost you a tax deduction that you could have taken in your business by simply having your financials ready and the things that are needed to finance. That cost for you. You don't have to have money and you don't have to have the cash. You could just simply borrow the funds, OPP, use other people's property, using the bank funds, the bank's property, OPP, to make sure that you're moving your profit forward. Okay, that's what good financial reporting does. But if your numbers aren't ready and they're late, that's costing you money. That's costing you profit, because guess what? If you could take $1 and put it out in the world and somebody actually hands you $10 back, what does that do for you? You'll do that all day. How many y'all let me know in the chat if you're watching this on replay or if you're watching it live, right? If I were to just reach over right now and hand you $1, right? And you would hand me, I'm sorry, if you would hand me through this camera $1 and I would reach back and give you $10, how many people would do that? Put yes in the comment, right? Let me know. People do that all day. If I could give you $1 and you give me $10 back, or you could give me $1 and I could give you $10 back, I would do that all day long, handing you $1 so you could give me $10 back, right? That's what you do when you invest in your business. That's what you do when you borrow. Let's say you borrow $10,000. That's that $1. If you use that in your business to purchase inventory, to run ads, to get the equipment that will cut costs, and it will return and come back to you tenfold, that's $100,000. You were able to grow that 10,000 to 100. Get your financials right so you can get the capital you need to move your business forward, okay? And stop procrastinating, because it's costing you. Get your taxes in time. In time. I talk about roadblocks, bank rejections. I mean, I got a whole bunch of stuff. I don't like to be on here long. I like to keep it short, but I got a whole bunch of stuff. Get yourself, and I wrote here, you're on the struggle bus trying to buy a house or refinance your home loan. And the fact that you don't have your financials, it has cost you in business. Banks prove business income simply by you having your financials. And if your financials are not ready, if your tax returns are late, your procrastinating is costing you. Okay? So stop procrastinating. Another sign that you procrastinate is the fact that you get IRS notices. You got IRS problems. You got state tax issues because you hadn't filed your ST3s and your sales and use tax return. You getting tax notices because you simply did not contact your accountant. You procrastinating and contacting me if I'm your accountant. Me. If you have no accountant, you're procrastinating. You could simply put yourself in an installment agreement and stop being scared every time you see those notices. Procrastination and delays cost you in business. It's costing you interest. It's costing you penalties. When you ignore a tax notice or procrastinate in opening a tax notice, guess what that does? It costs you interest and penalties. Now, there's nothing we could do about interest because when you borrow money from the government, they're going to charge you interest. But I can help you reduce that cost of even getting rid of the late fee, okay? Avoid the late fee. File your taxes on time, okay? File your, get in an installment agreement if you owe and you can't pay. Stop the procrastination. Procrastinate makes you late, and making you late when it comes to taxes cause you to owe. Procrastinating in doing your financial reporting causes you to get denied access to capital that you need. Procrastination, I hope I'm getting this across, in business is not good. It costs you. So make sure that you stop in a procrastination, all right? Procrastination also gives you low self-confidence in your numbers. If you don't have your numbers and you don't know your numbers, and I say, what is it? Know your numbers. If you know your numbers, you can walk with your head up. You can know you're not going to owe. You can know what you need to do if you think you may owe. You can reinvest your profit. You can turn up your profit. You can also make sure that you plan out your next step. You can plan your vacation if you know you made money. All right, so have confidence in spending your money by knowing your numbers and not procrastinating in doing your financial reporting. Fear, and I wrote here because y'all know I like to do poetry. Fear is unclear, and procrastinate means you wait. You wait too long and you're late, you will get late fees. That was corny, but y'all look, make sure you don't procrastinate. Make sure you manage your cash flow, because procrastination is hurting your profit. All right. And that's what I have for y'all today. My name is Spiceda Jackson. I am the accountant that you love. And me and my firm and my team, if you like to work with us, we are the accountants you love. You can book a discovery session with me. Work with us at discovery.eXFinancialCPA.com. I'll put it in the chat section, and it'll display on the screen under the replay. If you want to share this nugget or these nuggets with your business friends, invite them to the group if they want to join live. You can always catch replay. So for y'all, those of y'all that say, I don't have Instagram or I don't have Facebook, everybody has YouTube. You can find me at Spiceda Jackson on YouTube. All right, y'all. Until next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction, and that's up. Until next time, bye, y'all.